In this video, you will learn how you can synchronize your Salesforce CRM with Mailchimp, which is our email marketing tool. And here you can add the contacts that you're adding in Salesforce directly and automatically into Mailchimp as leads or members automatically. For that, you just have to connect Salesforce CRM as the trigger app of our automation and Mailchimp as the action application. And after that, whenever you are going to add any contact in Salesforce, the same contact will be added as a member in any list in Mailchimp automatically. And to make this happen, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. And you can set up this automation very easily. Let me show you how. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and we have pasted this link in the description as well. From here, by clicking on the sign up free button, you can create your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to set up and test your automations. So you can just sign up right now with me, and then you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect here like this, okay? And here you have to click on this create workflow button to create an automation workflow. And here in the name field, you can give a name to this workflow as well. So I'm giving the name here as Salesforce to Mailchimp automation, okay? And after that, click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready. And here you will find these two things, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these things, we are going to set up this automation. So the trigger here, in the trigger section, you have to connect that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. Trigger event will be that event which is going to trigger this workflow or start this workflow, okay? So in our case, the Salesforce application will act as a trigger application, and adding a contact in Salesforce will add as a trigger event. So search for Salesforce here first. Here it is selected. Then I select the trigger event as new contact. Okay, then click on connect. And from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Salesforce. All right, and from this window you have to allow the access to give the permission to Pabbly Connect for making this connection. So just click on allow from here. Okay, you can see the authorization is successful, and here it is showing every 3 hours. So this means this trigger is going to check in every 3 hours for the new contacts that you are adding in Salesforce. And if you are adding new contacts, the trigger is going to work automatically in every 3 hours and add the contacts to Mailchimp. Okay. So guys, here you can see we have this save and send test request button. By clicking on this button, you can fetch the details of a most recently created contact from Salesforce. So you can see here, this is my Salesforce dashboard, and here is the most recent contact I have created with this name new contact. Okay, this is the last contact I have created. Let us click on save and send test request here to get the details of that contact. And here you can see we got the test details as this. It is showing the first name as new, last name as contact, full name is new contact. Okay, and here you will find the phone number as well and the email ID of the contact as well, and all these details. So whatever the things that you will add inside Salesforce will be captured here like this in these labels, okay? And after that, what we want to send the same contact in Mailchimp in any list as a member. For that, we need to connect Mailchimp here in the actions tab. So from here, search for Mailchimp. Here it is selected, and select the action event now as add new member with custom fields. Okay, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API token of Mailchimp. So you will find this token from this profile section of Mailchimp. So you can just read the instructions and you can reach the profile section. Let me show you directly. Here you can see guys, this is my Mailchimp dashboard, and here I have this profile icon here on the bottom left hand side. Just click on this profile, okay, and then click on profile option, and here you will find this extras tab. Click on extras, and here you'll find this API key option. Click on it, And when you scroll down here, you will find this API key like this. So you can just copy this key and you have to paste it here in this token field like this. And here it is asking for the data center's name. So the data center will appear as a subdomain in your Mailchimp account URL. So this is my Mailchimp account and here is the URL you can see on the top search bar. Let me just copy this whole URL to show you clearly. And I'm going to paste the URL here. Here you can see this is the account URL and you can see in the example this thing, this US 19 or US whatever thing will be your subdomain. Okay, here in my case my subdomain is US 6. So let me remove all these extra things from here, from this URL, and I'll just put the subdomain only in the data center. Okay, now just click on save and you will be connected with Mailchimp. You can see we are now connected. And here you can see it is asking to choose the audience list. So we have only one list here that is auto selected, and here it is asking for the email address of the person to whom you want to add in this list. So you'll get the test details here, and here you will find the email label. So I'm going to map this email label here in this field. So to map it, just click here and it will show you the trigger step in the drop down. And when you click on it, it will show you all the data that you have received in the first step. So from here only map the email label. Okay, and then it is asking for the tags. So we don't have any tags details, so you can leave this blank. And from this field you can select the subscription status. So here we have all these options. So I am selecting transactional here. Now it is asking for the first name, last name and the mobile number of the contact. So you will get all the details from the trigger step only. This is the first name. Similarly map the last name label and the phone number label. Here it is. Okay, now click on save and send test request and you will see a new contact getting added in the list. I am clicking here. Okay, so it is showing that this member already exists. Okay, so this email ID is already present in my Mailchimp list, guys. So not to worry, the automation is set and I can show you how it is going to work. And let us just go to Salesforce. Okay, and here let me show you the contact section in Mailchimp as well. This is Mailchimp and here we have these all contact section. Okay, and here you can see the person is already present here like this. Okay, that's why it is not creating the new contact here, but the automation is set. Let me show you how it is going to work here, guys. In Salesforce, let me create a new contact. Okay, so guys, here you can see I am adding another dummy contact here in Salesforce. This is the first name and the last name. Okay, and I have filled all the details. So let me click on save here. Okay, and this is the contact I got added here in this Salesforce. And here let me come to the trigger section again, okay, of our workflow, and let me click on save and send test request one more time, and the new data will be captured here like this. Okay, and let me map the data again here in this in these fields of Mailchimp. So now let me map the new email address. Okay, for the tags you can see if we have anything regarding the tags. Okay, so I'm mapping the lead source as the tag. Okay, and here the subscriber status will be the same, and let me map these details again. This is the last name. Okay, this is the mobile number. Okay, and let me click on save and send test request one more time and let's see what happens. And you can see now a new contact is created inside Mailchimp. Let us check in Mailchimp if we got a new contact added. So I'm refreshing the contact section. And here you can see a new contact got added here like this with the name, dummy, contact number, and this is the tag other. Okay, and these are the same details that I have mapped here, you can see, and our automation is done. Okay, so you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, whenever you are going to add any contact in Salesforce, the workflow is going to run in the background and you will see the same contact added inside the Mailchimp section automatically. Okay, And you can use the same workflow that I have created, because I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.